The Blues at home taking on the Lightning. St. Louis has been on fire at Scott Trade Center, winning 5 consecutive games. They're 10-1-2 overall at home so far this season. Jake Allen in net. He's yet to lose a regulation game at home this season. We head to St. Louis for the action.
And the Lightning take over. Killorn can't clear it by Parayko. Now Tarasenko in front. Shoots. He scores! Tarasenko! It's 1-0 St. Louis.
Tarasenko is able to beat the goaltender on the stick side of the only chance of the game so far.
So he picks up where he left off on Tuesday when he had the overtime winner. Oh, it comes across Shattenkirk. Back for Steen. To Tarasenko. He scores! Is he hot? Second tonight.
I mean, when we're talking about the chemistry and the cohesion these guys have, Steen puts it right in the wheelhouse. It can't get any better than that.
Those 7 road wins, number 1 in the league. The Blues steal the puck at 2-on-1. Schwartz and Perron. To Perron, wide open. A shot. Oh, what a save by Vasilevsky.
Vasilevsky was waiting and waiting. You could see it was a slow developing one. And then Perron can't fire it in one quick motion. Otherwise, he has a better opportunity. But what a brilliant save by the goalie. My goodness.
But some great net front presence there for Perron. Shattenkirk. That wrist shot. He scores! And it's 3-1. That was tipped.
David Perron's in front. Clearly changes directions, but it's a good face-off win by Robby Fabbri. Fake shot, little wrister right here, and maybe it went off Robby Fabbri in the high slot.
Blues 2 for 3 on 4 shots. Shattenkirk winds up. He scores! And the power play is red hot.
That is pretty to watch. On the stick and off the stick. One touch passing. Look at the screen in front of the net. David Perron doing an excellent job in front of Vasilevsky, taking away any sight that he's got.
And here come the Lightning to center. Here's Johnson, gets it back, works in, shoots, he scores! What a play by Johnson, and it's 4-2.
Little Tyler Johnson's got some slick hands. He just pulls that into his feet and then waits for Pietrangelo to lean and go down, and then he snaps it high against the grain to the glove side, head up all the way, off the toe of his blade. That's a heck of a shot right there.
87.6%. Kucherov with it, a drive, and he scores! That didn't take long, 6 seconds, and Kucherov makes it a 4-3 game.
A couple of Russian snipers, huh? Different styles of players, but boy, oh boy, that is a wicked wrister there by Kucherov.
And now Fabbri and Tarasenko come in 2-on-1. Fabbri to Tarasenko, shoots, hit the post, and then it goes in for the hat trick for Tarasenko.
And here come the lids. Hat trick for Tarasenko. It clanks off the post, comes back, hits the goaltender, Ben Bishop, and then it goes back into the net, just barely crossing the goal line.
Now Paquette for Drouin. Back of the goal in front, Paquette, a shot, he scores! And this line has done it again, and it's 5-4.
Tricky little play, gets beyond Steen, and then one quick pass out there to Paquette, and he's right on the doorstep. That's a heck of a pass there by Drouin.
Lightning get it again. Drouin back to Hedman. Hedman a shot. And covered by Jake Allen. That was tipped, and he has it. And they do get it. And a shot wide by Johnson, and the Blues do win 5-4.
The Blues stay hot as they take it 5-4. St. Louis has won 3 in a row overall and 6 straight at home. Both teams scored at least a goal in all 3 periods. Vladimir Tarasenko with his 3rd career regular season hat trick, tying Brendan Shanahan for the most by a Blues player before his 25th birthday. Jake Allen notches his 7th straight victory, 6th consecutive at home. Both are career highs. Up next, the Blues face the Jets Saturday, and the Lightning take on the Capitals.